Happy Earth Day, you guys. I love grounding. Do you guys just love going to the beach, going barefoot, and you feel so rejuvenated and healed? And that's because of the natural electrons you get on the earth. But the problem is, as soon as you come inside your house or you put on shoes, you're blocking your bare skin from making contact from the earth. So what I've done to counteract that is created a new product, and that's my Travel Roller Universal Energy Earthing and Grounding Mat, and it's plugged into my wall, and it is in my ground outlet like this. And basically what it does is it protects your body from harmful EMFs. Now let me show you what that means. Okay, so I have a voltage meter here, and I'm going to show you what actual voltage you're receiving when you're touching your computer or your cell phone. I'm going to show you what my voltage on my body is right now. So I'm going to put one on my plugged in grounding mat, one on my finger here, and right now I'm at 5.3 volts. Now if I touch my computer's right here. Wow. All right. 10.4.6. Okay, now I'm going to put one elbow on the grounding mat. Remember, I'm not grounding yet. Here we go. Grounding. All right, let's turn that 0.90. Now, if I were to put both elbows on there, I'm grounding out all of that negative electrons. Now, if I stand on here on my desk, it creates a huge effect. If you put a bit more time into it, you can really reduce your voltage in your body. Wow, that was really profound. Imagine how much EMFs and harmful electrons you're receiving every single day when you touch your phone and you're touching computers all the time, and you are always wearing shoes. This is like all the time. You guys, it is amazing. You can just put your grounding mat at your desk while you're working. You can be just making skin contact by the bottom of your feet if you have a standing desk or sitting desk. You could be rolling, you could be stretching, you could be doing yoga on this grounding mat. It is amazing. I'm giving you guys 20% off today. The coupon code on travelroller.com is EarthDay 2022. You get 20% off today only on this amazing grounding mat. It is also made of the same earth-friendly materials as the Travel Roller with the carbon-infused top, so it is conductive, okay? And I'll show you how to do that. It's amazing. You guys got to try the grounding at home. Another cool Earth Day feature I want to share with you, I made the Travel Roller earth-friendly, and a couple of those features we talked about last week were it's not made of PVC or other harmful fitness materials that have phthalates and off-gassing. Travel Roller is made of toxin-free TPR, which is much better on the environment. There's no off-gassing, and it is a completely renewable product. So we removed the glue, so it is a replaceable sleeve. So you can actually, when this wears out eventually in maybe 10 years, you can get a new sleeve and you can just put it back onto your roller instead of having to throw out all this other stuff. You just reposition it like that, and it is completely renewable. All these other foam rollers, once they get ruined, they will be thrown in the garbage and create huge problems in landfills. So you guys also get that coupon code for all Travel Roller